In this video, I'll show you how to download Valorant on a laptop. It is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now in here, type in Riot Client, hit enter. Now in here, you're going to want to click on the first link, which is from riotgames.com. Click on it. Now in here, in this particular section, you're going to want to go to the Riot Games right here and click on the drop down. And you will be able to see a ton of games right here, including League of Legends, Valorant, Teamfight Tactics, and more. Just click on Valorant. Now in this page, just click on Play for Free. Alright, now choose a platform. For example, as the title suggests, you're going to use PC right here. Alright, as our laptop is also our personal computer. Just click on it. Now, if you don't have a Riot account, just go ahead and click on Make One. Now, if you already have a Riot account, just go ahead and click on Sign In. And you're good to go. All right, I'm just going to hit on sign in just for you to see the process. All right, now once you're signed in, as you can see here, I have here my username. Now I'll be able to see a download button right here at the bottom left. I'm just going to go ahead and click on it and wait for a download page to pop up. As you can see here, start the download. Yours might be different as I'm using IDM. You might see your download right here at the top right. All right, just go ahead and start the download. Start, and I'm going to open it up. I'm going to open up the folder, double click on Valorant. There'll be a pop-up, just click on yes. All right, I'm going to close this one, close. Now, as you can see here, we are now able to install it by just clicking on install right here. Now, I'm not going to be able to do that because I already have installed Valorant right here. You can click on advanced option. If you want to select your particular drive, for example, click on this one right here. Let's say, for example, you wanted to send it to your SSD or whatever drive you have. Just click on the SSD. If you want to make a new folder, just make a new folder and type in Valorant. All right. Once done, hit on OK, and the installation process will begin. I'm just going to cancel. All right. Now, if you do have Riot Client already, just go ahead and open it up. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes again and wait for it to load. Now, as you can see here, it will require us to log in. So I'm going to do that. As you can see here, it is now redirecting in this particular Riot Client. I'm going to want to go to the Valorant icon right here, click on it, and you should be able to see install right here. All right, just wait for the process to finish. And once done, once it says play right here, there will be a prompt, all right, that you will need to restart your computer to be able to play this particular game. Just go ahead and follow that. Go to your Windows icon right here, click on power, hit on restart. Once done, play Valorant and enjoy. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.